Hello children. In the previous class we have started the chapter the invention of Vita Wong, chapter 7, and in this class we are going to finish the story. So what we see in the previous class that Mr. Vita Wong wanted to prepare a potion that make people older, and in order to do that he collected various things. Okay, let's read after that. All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wonka went on. I tracked down very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. A hair or an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scraped from between its toe while it was sleeping. Okay, so Mr. Wonka told Charlie that he collected many things that is older, and sometimes they are very little, 1 or 2 ounce of them. Okay, so he wears things like hair, eyebrow. সো এখানে মিস্টার ওয়াঙ্কা বলছেন যে তিনি গোটা ওয়ার্ল্ড থেকে নানা রকম ছোট ছোট জিনিস সংগ্রহ করেছেন। I tracked down the whistle pig, the bobolink, the scarrock, the polyfrog, the giant curlicue, the stinging slug, and the venomous squircle, who can split poison right into your eye from 50 yards away. So here he lists down some, or he told some about some creatures that he visited in the all over the world, like whistle pig and so on. And he also see a venomous snake who spit poison from 50 yards away. এরপর মিস্টার ওয়াঙ্কা কিছু জিনিসের নাম বললেন এবং সেগুলো তিনি গোটা ওয়ার্ল্ডে দেখেছেন। নানা রকম নাম আছে, যেমন হুইসেল পিগ, বোবোলিঙ্ক, এবং তিনি একটা সাপের কথাও বললেন যেটা তার যে বিষটা সেটা ছুঁড়ে দিতে পারে একদম তোমার চোখে প্রায় 50 ইয়ার্ডস মানে দূর থেকে। But there's no time to tell you about them all now, Charlie. Let me just say quickly that in the end, after a lot of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing in my inventing room, I produced one tiny cupful of oily black liquid. Okay, and he told Charlie that he has no time to told you about all of this. He is about to prepare his liquid, his potion, from the things that he have brought, and after a lot of preparation like boiling, testing, he invented he got a oily black thing, oily black liquid, a cupful of oily black liquid, and he gave it a 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. So he got a volunteer whose name is Oompa Loompa, and he is 20 years old, and he is going to test his potion with this volunteer. এরপর মিস্টার ওয়াঙ্কা বলেন তার প্রিপারেশনের পরে তিনি একটা অয়েলি ব্ল্যাক একটা লিকুইড পেলেন এবং 1 কাপ, সেটা তিনি পরীক্ষা করবেন। তার একটা ভলেন্টিয়ার পেয়েছেন ওম্পা লোম্পা নামে, যার বয়স 20 বছর, তার উপর পরীক্ষা করবেন। What did happen? Charlie asked. It was fantastic, cried Mr. Wonka. The moment he swallowed it, he began to wrinkling and shivering up all over, and his hair started dropping off, and his teeth started falling out, and before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wonka invented. Then Charlie asked, "What happened then?" Uh, Mr. Wonka said that after that, after swallowing the potion, the 20-year-old Oompa Loompa who he become he was starting shivering, okay, and wrinkle, and in his face wrinkles are coming, and his hair are falling, his teeth are also falling, and suddenly he become a 75 years old fellow, and by this the Vita Wonk invented. এরপর চার্লি বলল কি হলো, তারপর তারপর ডক্টর ওয়াঙ্কা বললেন যে এটা খাওয়ার পরে ওই 20 বছর বয়সী ওম্পা লোম্পা সে হঠাৎ করে তার বয়স হয়ে গেল 75, এবং এইভাবেই ভিটা ওয়াঙ্কটা ইনভেন্টেড হলো। Okay students, that's all for now. We will start the exercise in the next class. Thank you.